Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Bros Behind the Keyboard, where we take complex ideas and turn them into simple program tutorials. So in this video, we are going to be exploring the turtle module in Python. So basically the turtle module was created in 1966 to be a part of the programming language Logo. It was actually created to get children interested in programming, and that's why it uses various tools to create animations and designs and other stuff like that. So I would like to show you guys what we can do with Turtle module. So we'll just create a program called design1.py. Firstly, we will import the Turtle module, import Turtle. Then we'll create a list of colors. So our first project is going to be a color wheel. So basically we'll import Turtle and then we'll write a list called colors. Colors is equal to, since it's a list, we'll use square brackets and we'll say violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, or orange, and finally red. So these are the colors of the rainbow. You can choose any colors you want. I just think this will look nice. So the easiest thing about Python is that it is like pseudocode. That means it is very similar to normal English, and it is because of Python that we are able to write colors like this. See, because Python is programmed to understand such colors. If it was any other programming language like Java or C, we would have to write the numbers as in RGB format. So we will continue our program. We will write W is equal to total dot screen to create a window, and we will name this window title as color wheel. Then we will say W dot bg color is black. Now we are saying black so that all the other colors are well highlighted, and this will put the background color of the window as black. So now we'll write for I in range. This is our main loop, and we'll just write for I in range 420, because a normal triangle is, that is an equilateral triangle, has 60 degrees on all three angles. That's why 7 into 60 is 420, as in 7 colors of the rainbow and 60 degrees. So we'll write for I in range 420, total dot pen color, and we'll write the color as one of the color from the arrays, from the list. So colors, and we'll use square brackets because it's a because we will be using the index number, and we'll say I mod 7 because there are 7 colors of the rainbow, so we'll get the output as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And as the array numbers are as the array numbers begin from 0, the total will come to 6. Then we'll write total dot width. Now we are using this to write the width of the pen which will be drawing the design. So we'll say I divided by 100 plus 1. Then we'll set the speed by saying total dot speed, and we'll write 1000 so that we can quickly draw the so that the computer quickly draws the design. And we'll say total dot fd. You can also write forward, but I'm too lazy to write, so I'll just say total dot fd, and I'll say I. So this will increase by every loop, every time it comes to this statement. And then we'll write total dot lt, which will turn it left by 59 degrees, because, well, it just looks better. So then we'll save this program. Mine gets automatically saved. I'll open a new terminal and I'll let it run. So let's see what we get. As you can see, it says color wheel and it starts making a design like this. It's a nice design with 7 different colors, and the size increases with each iteration, and it turns 60 degrees, that is 50. Now for aesthetic reasons, you can also write 10 here to get bigger lines as shown here. The purpose of making bigger lines is to get spots for the different colors to fit in order, so that they go from the center to outside in one line. Okay guys, for the second one, we'll just create another one. So for this, we'll be creating a fractal using total module. So we'll just create a new file and we'll call it design2.py. For this, we will import total. That's the first step for such kind of programs. So we'll just import total. Then we'll say t is equal to total dot total. Then we'll say t dot screen dot bg color, and in this we will write black. It's more of an aesthetic choice. You can write any color you want. Then we'll say t dot lt, that is the total will turn left 90 degrees. And then we'll then set the speed to 100, so that it's easier for us to follow and that the program will be quickly made. Then we'll say the color of the pen which the turtle will be using is white. So we'll say total t dot color is white, and we'll just like this, and then we'll say t dot pen size to indicate the size. I like a bigger pen, so I'll just say pen size 5. And then we'll set the title by saying t dot screen dot title, and I'll write fractal pattern using recursion. Then we'll say t dot pen up, t dot go to, and we'll write 0 comma minus 200. That will get our total beginning from around somewhere here, and then we'll write t dot pen down. Now we are ready to go. We just have to define a function. So we'll say def draw, and we will take an input size. And say def draw, which takes the input size. If size is less than or equal to 10, we'll just return nothing. And we can do this by writing just return. No need to specify anything after that. Otherwise, else, we'll say t dot forward. So it will go forward by size. Then we'll say it should turn left by 30 degrees. By 30 degrees. And then we'll say, now here we are asking it to recur again. Now we'll reduce the size by 3/4. So we'll say 3 into size divided by 4. This reduces the size to the 3/4 of original. Then we'll write t dot rt to make it move 60 degrees towards the left, towards the right. And then again we'll just copy this, Control C and Control V, and then again we have to write the same thing, that is t dot lt 30 degree. This will enable us to create something towards the left, then to the right, and then come back. Now for getting it back, we'll just write t dot backward, and we'll write size, so that it comes back the exact size, the same as when it went forward. So now we are done. Now we just have to call the function, and we'll write draw 100. And we'll write t dot, actually it's better if we write t is equal to total dot done, and we'll say total dot say exit on click, and then we'll just save this and we'll let it run. Let's see what our program comes. So basically this is called a tree fractal, where it goes up, reduces the size, 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 reduces the size. So in this, the size is less than 10 pixels. So it makes this, goes back, makes this, goes back, and then goes back again. Then it makes the same thing again and does it. And then it goes back, then it makes this thing. So then we get a structure like this, and this is done. So now when we just click it, we'll we'll be done. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down and give us more ideas for programs to make. Thanks guys.
It's hard to breathe, but that's alright.